Hello, myself Dr. K.W. Pawar from Department of Botany, रयत शिक्षण संस्थाज R.B. Narayan Rao Borawke College, Sri Rampur, District Ahmednagar. Today, I am going to deliver the topic. The topic is from the class 3rd year BSc. There is the paper that is horticulture and floriculture. Horticulture and floriculture is paper to the 3rd year BSc, and from that there is the topic that is artificial vegetative propagation method. And today we are going to see the method that is the budding. Previous videos there is the method of artificial propagation, that is what cutting, then grafting, then layering. In today we are going to see the particular budding. Budding is again important method of the artificial vegetative propagation. So in case of grafting, there is the again scion and the stalk relationship. Like in again budding, there is the use of the particular scion and the rootstock. So what is mean by the budding, or what is budding? So budding is defined as an art of insertion of single matured bud. This is important. The art of insertion of single mature bud into the stem of rootstock. Into the stem of rootstock, the art of insertion of single matured bud into the stem of rootstock in such a way that the union takes place. In such a way that there is the union takes place. There is the union between the particular matured bud and the rootstock. There is the union takes place between the matured bud, or what we call it as the scion, and here there is the rootstock, in such a way that union takes place and combination continues to grow. And the combination of mature bud and the rootstock is continuous to the grow, or there is the growing in combination. So there is the budding is defined as an art of insertion of single matured bud into the stem of rootstock in such a way that the union takes place and the combination continues to grow. Okay. In case of budding, there is the word that is the budwood is commonly used. Then what is the budwood? Budwood means what? The shoot of mother tree from which buds are taken. What is that? The shoots of mother tree from which buds are taken. Suppose there is the mother tree and mother tree shoots, and from that the shoots from that there is the bud is taken for the use as a scion material. Means what? Scion is nothing but the budwood. Means scion is nothing but the budwood. So the particular shoots of the mother tree from which buds are taken for use as the scion material for budding are called as the budwood. Okay. So here means what? Means what in simple language? What we call the bud is nothing but the particular budwood. Okay. Then there is the bud. In case of budding, the operation in which buds in budding, the operation in which buds carefully removed along with the piece of the bark. Sometimes there is the bud is removed with the particular piece of the bark, and it or sometime there is the without bark. Okay, and it is inserted beneath the bark of the stalk plant. Okay, it is inserted beneath the bark of the stalk plant in a such a way that the nascent tissue of both the stalk and scion, bud are brought in contact with each other. Okay, in contact with each other. Okay, so here this is the practice. Then there is the union that are wrapped by the particular polythene sheets. Sometimes there is use of the particular polyfilm bandage is there or tape is there. Then what will happen? The cells of the nascent tissue divide and form the callus. Okay, here there is the important thing is that to form the callus. Cells of the nascent tissue, when it is tied with the particular polythene tape, then cells of the nascent tissue divide and it forms the callus which unite bud with the particular stalk. Okay, the bud get nourished from the stalk and develop into the branch like the leaf and the particular flower. Okay, the bud get unite and develop on the stalk in the form of the leaf or flower. Okay, then what are the methods of the budding? Methods of budding. Methods of budding. There are the number of methods of budding, or there are the different kinds of the budding. The important type usually used largely in horticulture, that is of the particular tea budding, then patch budding and ring budding. So we will discuss today on the particular methods, that is the tea budding, then there is the patch budding, and then there is the ring budding. How there is the particular tea budding is carried out, patch budding and ring budding is carried out. What are the operation in the particular particular three budding techniques? First of all, there is the particular tea budding. It is commonly used, this type of budding is commonly used in the rose plant. Tea budding is used in the rose plant or many ornamental shrubs. In that there is the tea budding can done. Okay, there are the again plants like the sweet orange. There is the use of this particular tea budding. Here what will the procedure of the particular tea budding? At first there is the vertical cut of about 1 inch long is made to the particular stem. Okay, suppose here there is the stem. So there is the vertical cuts are made, about 1 inch long is made to the particular stem. Then at the top, means what? Here to this particular vertical cut. Of this vertical cut, at the top of this vertical cut, a horizontal cut is made cut is made so as to form from T shape, so that what we call it as the T budding. Here very simple technique is there. First of all, there is the first vertical cut of about 1 inch long is made. 1 inch long is made. Then at the top of this there is the particular horizontal cut is made so as to form the particular T shape. Here you can see the T shape. Then with the help of the particular knife, two cuts are slightly twisted. Open to form a flap. Suppose this is the cut portion, and here with the help of knife there is the slightly twisted of the particular this portion and this portion so as to form the particular flap. Here from this there is the formation of the flap. Okay. Then for insertion, this flap is for insertion of the shield or insertion of the particular shield bud. Okay. Then shield shape piece with bud. In middle is detached from the stem of the another plant or from the desired variety of the particular plant. Whatever variety you want, there is the shield shape bud that is detached from the same length from the particular plant and inserted into this flap. Here there is the insertion of this particular shield shape bud. Okay. Here there is the in flap there is the insertion of the shield shape bud with the middle. then here the insertion into the incision means what? In between the particular two flaps on the stalk. Shield and this particular stalk. This is what stalk, and this is what shield, or what we called it as the scion. The shield and stalk fixed with the particular adhesive tape. Okay. So shield and stalk fixed with the adhesive tape. So this will be happen in the particular T budding. Then second type of budding, next type, what is called the patch budding. Okay. Here what will happen in case of the particular patch budding? There is the, suppose this is what particular rootstock or what we called stalk. Then there is the particular removal of the patch. Okay. So what we called it as the patch budding. At first a patch of bark is removed. Patch of bark is removed. First there is the patch of the bark is removed from the stem of the rootstock. From the stem of the root stock. Okay. Rootstock, or what we call rootstock seedling. Then first of all there is the patch of bark is removed from the stem of the rootstock. Then next a patch of bud. Next operation is what? A patch of bud. A patch of bud of exactly same size. about same size means about 3 centimeter long and 1.5 centimeter width is removed. Okay, so what is the operation? First of all, we remove the particular patch of bark from the root stock seedling. Then after patch of bark is removed from the root stock seedling, then after that a patch of bud of exactly same size. It is required the exactly same size, about 3 centimeter is removed from the desired variety. Here you can, whatever the variety you have to choice, what we call the desired variety and fitted to exposed area, and it fitted to exposed area. Okay, very simple method is here. There is the removing of the patch of bark from the rootstock, and same size patch of desired variety. Same size means about or tentative size, that is the 3 centimeter in long and 1.5 centimeter width is removed from the desired variety. Then it is fitted to the particular exposed area. Then after that there is the bandage of wax cloth or polythene film. Bandage of wax cloth or polythene sheet is tied to tied here. Suppose you inserted here the patch, then bandage of the cloth or what we call, there is the polythene sheet is protected, tied to the particular bud and it protect the particular bud. One care should be taken is of what? There is the bud is exposed. Okay, bud on the patch get exposed to the environment when it tied to the there is the tied with the polythene film or polythene sheet. Then later the stock seedling is deheaded above the inserted bud. This practice is carried out in the particular mango, or another one example, that is the citrus. Then next method is what? Ring budding. Okay, another one method, that is the particular ring budding after the patch budding. Here there is again just ring is removed like this. There is the removal of the particular ring. Then there is the again, suppose, okay, what will happen here? The bud is prepared by taking a ring of bark. Bud is prepared by taking the particular ring of bark about the particular about 3 centimeter in length, with the with the bud in the center. Okay, so here there is the bud is prepared by taking the ring of bark of the shoot or stem about 3 centimeter in length with the bud in the center. Here there is the precaution is that there is the bud in the center. Then in the root stock, two circular cuts of about 1.5 centimeter. Like here, there is the two circular cuts from the of the about 1.5 centimeter length apart are made and these are connected with vertical and ring of the bark. Very simple, ring of the bark, and is fitted in the exposed portion of the rootstock. Expose the portion of the rootstock. Then after that, tied as usual. Okay, what will happen here? Bud is prepared. First of all, preparation of the particular bud. Bud is prepared by taking the ring of the bark. Okay, about 3 centimeter in length with the bud in the center. Okay, here there is the bud in the center. Then in the rootstock, two circular, suppose here there is the rootstock, two circular cuts about 1.5 centimeter apart are made, and these are connected with the vertical ring of the particular bark and fitted in the particular exposed area or exposed portion of the rootstock. Okay, then it is tied as usual. Then there is the particular union takes place. Okay, so this much occurred in the particular ring budding. For instance, there is the example of cinchona. Cinchona is the example of the particular ring budding. So in all the above way or in any of the above methods, means what? Tea budding, then there is the particular patch budding and ring budding. The union will take place within the 3 to 5 weeks. Okay, there is the union will take place within the 3 to 5 weeks. It required the 3 to 5 weeks for union. After the union is after union is completed, it required 3 to 5 weeks. After union is completed, the top of the rootstock is removed. Okay, gradual stage and 7 to 8 centimeter above from the bud union. Okay, so this is all about the method of the particular budding. There are the this is the method of the particular budding. Okay, thank you.